Hi all, I'm Shweta.
And myself, Preeti.
Today we'll be presenting the working of our web application project, online course registration. We developed this using PHP for server-side functionality, HTML, CSS for front-end, and JavaScript for the form validation, and MySQL for database management.
Now, let's look into the system's functionality. In this system, we have two modules, mainly admin and the student role. The admin is used to manage the entire process. They can be used to set up the academic structures like departments, sessions, semesters, etc. Then they can also manage the course information, like they can add, update, and also delete. Then they'll handle the seat allocation and the students' records. Next is the student module. The students can log in and they can register for the courses that are available, view their academic records, and they can also generate the course registration reports for submission or personal use. Now, let's look into the working of the admin module. Shweta will be doing that.
So let's see the working of admin module. So this is the home screen of the admin. So here we give the login details. So we enter the credentials such as username and password. So let me enter the details. And then we click on login. So these are the things which the admin can do. So let's see one by one. So here, these are the sessions which we already added during the development of our project. So here we can also add a new session. So session, it means an year, 2024 or 2025. So here we can add a new session or we can delete if the session is over. And the semester, so the next is the semester, like such as fall 2025 or spring 2024, for example. So these are the already added semesters. We can also add a new semester. Just see, let's see one for an example. Uh, fall. If you click on submit, it will be created successfully. So this is the thing which we created now. So let's see the next one. That's department. So this is the departments. These are the departments which we already added. So here we can also add a new department such as data science. So if we create and I mean if we submit it, then it will be created. So you can see that. And then next one is course. So these are the courses which we already added here. So these are the courses which we already have. We can add a new one by entering course code, course name, course unit, and the seat limit. So if we want, we can also edit the course. For example, let's say this. If you want, you can increase the seat limit, suppose. Let's say this. So course updated successfully. So this is an example of updated course. So let's see here. So here, as you can see, it's updated to 30. So we saw an example for insertion and updation. So here, this is the page for student registration. If any new student comes to the university, then we can add student name, student registration number, and password, and it automatically generates the credentials and PIN code for that, and the admin can give that to student. And the next one is managed students. So these are the students which already have been enrolled in the university. So here are the all the details of the student. And this is the enroll history. Enroll history is all the subjects which the student have been enrolled in. So these details can be visible for the admin. If the admin wants, they can also print it for records or for reporting purposes. And this is the student logs. These are just for record keeping, just the login time and logout time for each student when they have been logged in. And the next one is news. These are the news which we have already been added. Something like any announcements of new courses which have been added, or any changes in the courses, or any holidays of for the course, or any online class. For example, uh, if we want to add an online class on Monday for big data. So if you click on submit, it will be added successfully here. So this is the thing which we have created. Suppose if we want to delete it, we can also delete the respective news. And if you click on logout, then it says you have successfully logged out. So now Preeti will be explaining the student module.
So now let's look into the student login. This is the home page where the student can log in using the register number and the password. They can also view the latest news that has been updated. Now let's log in. And this is the first go to profile. Yeah, this is a profile of the student, my student profile login page. This has all the students' personal details like their name, register number, PIN code, which has been given by the admin when they have newly enrolled into the college, university, or the course. And here they can enroll into the course by giving the PIN code that have been provided. This is for verification in order to maintain the security. Based on once the PIN code is verified, they'll get the course enroll form verified. So they'll get the course enroll form with their details, and here they can select the session, semester, and the course, like in which course they have to enroll in. So let's just look into an example. Select the semester, then select the course, enroll, and this will be enrolled successfully, and it will be available in the student history, like where in which courses they have been enrolled, and they can also print these details if they need, in case if they need for any submission purposes or for anything. Then they can also change the password if they want to change. And next one is the logout. This come When you log out, it comes back to the login screen, which has the latest news details. And now let's look into the DB part. So this project, our project is the online course registration system. It has been done using the SQL in order to manage the course related data efficiently. So we have named our database as online course that can handle multiple tables, like um, like multiple tables like admin, course enrollments, department level, semester, sessions, students, and user log. Rest will be continued by Shweta.
Yeah. So we also made the key attributes as primary key for all the tables and foreign keys to establish proper relationships. And all the tables are normalized to avoid redundancy and ensure data consistency up to 3NF. And we also populated each table with the sample data. So as you can see here on my screen, for each table, we have sample data. Let's see the select statement. So how can we retrieve the data which we have entered on the front end or inserted at the back end? So if we click on, we say use online course, and here we do select star from course. So when we try to run this, so we can see that these courses have been added. So for example,
And we have updated the course number of seats to 30 in the AA course. So even that has been updated here.
yeah, so it has been updated, and the AI course was just added before the presentation, so that has also been visible here. So this is the part which we have been working on online course registration system. So hope you all enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.